Hello and welcome to another help video. In this case it is for a replacement headlight bulb on my Audi A4. I have been quoted various amounts of money for this. It is not the driver's side, which they thought it was. They quoted £200 to £300 for the work, and it literally took me minutes. And this is only for a blown headlight bulb. This is not for a circuit board behind the actual headlight. I think it's a motherboard or a power unit. They are known to go, but this was definitely in my case a blown bulb, and obviously the headlight in question was not working whatsoever. So as you can see on the screen, if it hasn't gone by already, is a Philips D3S HIB 35 watt bulb, which came out of a headlight, and I do like the originals going back into a very nice car that I own, so I'm a bit of a stickler. There is cheaper alternatives on the market, but again you might get vague results regards to the tint of the light. Anyway, when you go into the actual work itself, there is a cover, a dust cover. Once you get into the bonnet, all you have to do is just pull on the tab and it literally comes away. You then are literally removing the headlight square cluster that is in the headlight itself, and you will have to click it clockwise or anti-clockwise depending on what side headlight your passenger driver side is, because again mine is a right hand sided vehicle, and again this might be very different for cars that are the same make which are overseas. Once you've disconnected the bulb, you will be left with this shot. This is very hard to see, so I was quite clever to get this shot because I've literally wangled my phone into the gap. Literally don't forget to disconnect the wiring loom, which is shown at the bottom here, before you disconnect the whole thing, and it will come away intact. And literally the new one literally pops in and slides in with just a few minutes. It's ridiculous. And again, with the anti-clockwise clockwise rotation, literally it should just fit in fully square like so, and there you have it. And it should literally sit in the cradle like the picture is indicated, with the loom back and fitted in securely. And literally what you do is put the dust cover back on. It is a little bit fiddly, but literally it will take only a few minutes, as I have my dad here helping me secure it in place as I was recording with the phone unit. Again, use gloves at all times, just because you don't want to damage the filament and the actual bulb itself. Some bulbs will come, and very fortunate to come with sort of cotton gloves in the box as well as the bulb, but in this case obviously we had to sort of get our recruit our own gloves, and there it should take you a matter of minutes. We were quoted amongst silly money from £285. That's roughly just over $300 in the US. That's a lot. They kept banging on the drum that they had to remove the actual bumper. That will be the case if it is the driver's side, as you have got air intakes, which I'll put the picture on just in a second. And as you can see, that there is that will have to all come away, and that will be a bigger job. I believe that's what they were banging the drum on for even this job, which took me minutes, and I was very successful replacing the bulb, which I did get on Amazon for around £58, I believe, so it's just over $60 odd in the US if you're there. Again, other money currencies, just please check online, Google, for your correct amount. You can probably go for a one-off bulb like this for, I have seen one recently for $39, but again with Amazon, I Amazon primed it, Got it next day, and again it saved me a lot of money in servicing costs with the Audi dealership. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful with the unique shots within the actual headlight. I did sort of and ah when literally previously checking YouTube and online subscribers for any help regards to this whatsoever, and please be aware that yes, the circuit board or the powertrain board regards to the lighting could be at fault if you have a new bulb, you put it in and it does still fail. That is sadly a bigger job, but luckily for this video, this is the first port of call just to test if it is the bulb fault itself. So I hope this video has been very helpful, and thanks for watching.